Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Haroldus, and in this video I'm unboxing and reviewing an iPhone 15 Plus. So this is the 128GB model. It has the 6.7 Super Retina XDR display. It is an OLED display. It has a 460 pixels per inch and a 2796 by 1290 pixel resolution, which is pretty good. As you can see, I went for the color black, which I think looks the best out of all of them. So it's pretty standard unboxing experience. So in the box you just get a charging cable and some Apple stickers, which is pretty basic. You don't get a charging brick or any headphones or anything like that, which is kind of disappointing. The design of the phone is the same as the last few iPhones and it hasn't changed much. They kept the silent switch, which is really nice. Here I'm just turning the phone on for the very first time. It takes a while to boot, and then you just go through the usual first time setup process. Now I just started going over the things that you get in the box. So, as usual, you get the Apple stickers, you get your charging cable, you also get the SIM removal tool. Here I skipped the part where you enter your Wi-Fi password and went straight to setting up my Face ID. Here I just skipped over the part where you create your passcode. Also didn't transfer any data from my last phone. So I stopped filming the initial unboxing right around here. And this is my review after a couple of days of using the iPhone. So as usual, I installed a bunch of apps that I use on a daily basis. Well, one thing that I found really weird was that I've installed Discord, and every time I try to open it, it would just be stuck in a loading screen and not showing anything. I'm not sure if this is an iPhone problem or a Discord problem, or it's more likely a Discord problem, but it's not something you expect when you buy a £900 phone. I also tried to reinstall the app a bunch of times, but that didn't work either. Then I thought that maybe it has something to do with the version of iOS that I am running. So I went to settings, and I see that it's the latest version at the time of filming this video. At this point, I just gave up on Discord working on this phone, at least for a while, or until they release an update or something that fixes it. Also, after installing a bunch of apps, you can still see that there's still plenty of space left. I've also deleted some of the pre-installed apps, but I'm not really gonna use them. I guess storage would be a problem if you're shooting a lot of 4K video. On this section of the video, I wanted to do a little speed test, so I closed all of the apps currently open on the phone, and then started a timer. I literally started opening some of the apps that I would use on a daily basis, and I just saw how it opens them the first time, and then how it opens them when they're already open. As you can see, the phone is pretty fast and it really has no issues in terms of speed or keeping the apps open. In this section of the video, I just want to show off some videos and photos taken with the iPhone. Overall, I would say that iPhone 15 Plus is the best value for money iPhone in the iPhone 15 lineup. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.